Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Prayer with probably my last video of the day. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Mustang Fastback. It is now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth, USB, and my cool master input-output box that has, this is an option that you can order that has your left, right, front, and rear preamp outputs, subwoofer, unpowered sub-output, and then this will be your aux input. This is generally for guys who want to run their newly converted radio into a huge amplifier that bolts to the trunk with lag bolts and blows out the neighbors. And this is from Chuck in Ogden, Utah. And I've already mentioned what Chuck has requested, so we're going to check everything out and make sure it all works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader controls. Let's crank her up.
Did you ever wonder why there is so much...
Thank God for talk radio. There's no copyright issues with talk radio.
Conflict.
Well, let's get our speaker level meters in the mix.
From the left, and for that matter,
original balance control all the way left,
thousands
right,
of blacks murdered,
left,
Christians, black Christians murdered in West Africa by Muslims. Tens of thousands.
Okay, now we're going to adjust our
virtual
front rear fader.
Including captured, never returned again. Well, not even...
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now all the way front,
all
the way rear,
for Christians in Africa.
Front,
because
rear,
they don't give a damn about the Palestinians.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
They hate Israel.
Fader
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Make sure it plays music on a USB stick.
Noble.
Got my radio commercial right here.
The left doesn't care about Palestinians. Teachers' unions don't care about...
Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Alrighty.
Blacks?
Takes care of that. Okay, let's move over to FM. And I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test really quickly without worrying about copyright issues. So if your radio does not have an AM-FM switch, which an AM radio would not, the way to switch between AM-FM is to turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Respuesta mejor objetiva a esto. ¿Qué es primero? El
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. That's everything, and you can't see it, but I can. Going to test the dial lamp. We got a nice soft green glow there, so that's working as well. She's ready to go back, and this is probably my last video of the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the website and the work order are designed to answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out and reading the website. And that way, when you need to call me, it's only like for a couple of minutes. It's not like a 15-20 minute thing of like, what all do you offer and how much does it cost? That's just not going to work. You have to do a little research before you keep me on the phone for half an hour, because I just can't do it. That keeps me off the bench where the work gets done. So please observe those considerations. And thank you guys so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Chuck, for your business all the way from Utah, Ogden, Utah. And we'll see you guys next time.